Right.
Yeah. I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Well, thank you for joining us today. Can you tell me about one of your biggest work?
Oh. Okay. I think I've got one. Yeah. Okay, this was a few years ago, but it still feels quite fresh. My team, I was the head of performance marketing at the time, were under tons of pressure to deliver really rapid growth. So we figured doubling down on buying traffic from a few ad networks was the fastest way to reach our goal, right? Well, when the stats from this network started coming in, it all looked great at first, until I noticed something strange on one network, like 500,000 clicks in Germany at $1 the cost per install. I thought, how could that be? So we started digging deeper, and we discovered that 95% of the traffic from this ad network had come from Android devices that didn't exist. Yeah. So we got in touch with that network, and they just said, oh, it's premium traffic. If you want even better traffic, just increase the payout.
So it was a scam?
Yeah, exactly. It was a scam, and unfortunately one that we didn't notice for like 6 months. So I don't want to disclose exactly how much we wasted, but it was in the hundreds of thousands.
What a nightmare.
Totally. If we just done a little bit of analysis and looked beyond installs, we would have caught it faster.
If it looks too good to be true, it probably is, right?
For sure. Now we always check with other marketers before working with a new ad network, and we keep a very close eye on it after launching a campaign. But what about you? What's yours?
Well, I'm the head of owned media at a food and drink app, and my up happened a few years ago. We posted a video and recipe on how to make spanakopita.
I've never heard of
a
it.
Spinach feta pie thing. It's delicious.
Okay.
But instead of spinach, our recipe called for kale. After publishing, we got hundreds of comments from angry Greeks complaining about the inauthentic ingredient, saying we destroyed their beloved dish. We upset a lot of our Greek users, and many even left the app.
Wow.
Since then, I've been working with our localization team to approve our cultural recipes. The last thing we want to do is upset our users, even if we're just trying to put a modern twist on tradition.
I guess food is a massive part of culture, right? Like as a French woman, I get it. Are you going to show it online or?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm a little bit worried about like my boss seeing this because he doesn't, know everything, so.